Write down the matrix that represents A reflection in y is equal to minus x, B, a rotation 90 degrees clockwise about the origin, C, the single transformation which represents reflection in y is equal to x followed by a rotation 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. State this transformation. Okay, so you can find the matrix very easy by just looking at the 1, 0 and 0, 1. It's good to draw in a unit square though. So if we reflect the unit square in y is equal to minus x, so as y is equal to minus x, it will go over here. So I will be moved to this point, and j will be moved to this point. So that means that 1, 0 has moved to 0, minus 1. And that 0, 1 has moved to minus 1, 0. So our matrix we get by taking 0, minus 1 and putting that down here like that. And then the other half by putting minus 1, 0 down here. So our matrix that we want is 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0. This represents a reflection in y is equal to minus x. So you don't need to remember it, you just need to remember how to work them out. So similar idea for the rotation 90 degrees about clockwise. So under a rotation, the shape will look like that. So I will rotate round to there. So that'll become I dash, and J will rotate round to where I is now. Okay, so we can say that 1, 0 will go to 0, minus 1, and that 0, 1 will go to 1, 0. Same idea, n will be 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So the matrix is 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Now the single transformation we can get by multiplying mn, so whichever transformation we did first. So 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So we get 0 times 0, which is 0, minus 1 times 1, which is 1. 0 times 1 minus 1 times 0 gives me 0, minus 1 times 0, 0 times minus 1 gives me 0, and minus 1 times 1, it gives me minus 1, and 0 times 0 gives me 0, so just get minus 1. So I will go to 1, 0, so I will stay where it is, and then J will go to 0, minus 1, and we can see that this is actually a reflection in the x-axis. So the single transformation is a reflection in the x-axis. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to find the matrix that represents a transformation and what happens when you combine those to get and finding the single transformation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.